Zooming and filling. To zoom in closer to see my drawing's details, I click on the small hand in the lower left-hand column. This is for moving and zooming. If I drag to the center of the page and use the mouse, click the mouse, I can drag the drawing around the page and drop it wherever I'd like. If I'd like to zoom in, I use the Command key and the hand, and I can zoom small or make it very large. Now, the large is useful because we're going to fill these leaves with green, and I need to be able to put the paint bucket inside of each leaf and also check to see if the leaf is complete. For example, I'll click the paint bucket and go choose a light green color, and I'd like to fill this leaf. It allows me to fill a little bit of the leaf because it's looking at each color of white or gray. This image has some gray in it, and it's filling all of the neighboring colors near the color I choose with the same color. This allows me to use the paint bucket to put spots of color on the leaves. I'll choose a dark green and fill in some additional colors on each of these leaves. Now notice what might happen if I click on a piece of color that I previously had in the light green. It all will go dark. We'll do that again here. If I don't like that effect, I go up to Edit, Undo, Edit, Undo. Watch what happens if I click on one of the dark lines like the stem. It might pick some nearby pixels of the same color. Maybe I don't like any of that. Edit, Undo, or Control Z, Control Z, Control Z. And in this way, I can color the leaves of this plant. Now, if I'd like to zoom back out and take a look at this plant, I can begin to see the effect of my coloring. And you see when I'm zoomed out to the plant as a whole that the small white spaces are not too bothersome. My color choices are available over here on the far right. Now in this image of the carrot, we have a challenge, which is there's an area down here in the center of the carrot which is not filled in. So I need to draw the rest of the carrot. To do that, I will use the pencil, and with the pencil I can sketch in the remaining parts of the carrot. When I'm finished with that, I can save this and come back at a later time. Now, if I try to fill in an area that is not fully bounded by an outline, then I will get a spill of color, and I need to avoid this problem. Let's try spilling the orange into the carrot. I choose the color orange from the right, and then the fill paint bucket on the left, and spill into the area. Oh, it didn't remember my orange. My paint bucket remembered my old color. What do? Edit, Undo. Let's go get the orange now and try to fill the carrot orange. Oh my goodness. Why is it coloring everything orange? First of all, I want to undo. It's coloring everything because the carrot is open to white. And if I choose white anywhere in the entire painting,